Hello, right, welcome back. A bit quieter today, big coat on today, it's freezing. I don't even know why I've walked in here now. MGB, so purple one's done and gone. You may or may not have seen them videos, but if you want to see that one, the colour's called Black Tulip. So that one's done. So I'm bringing it back in here. This one's more of a customer update, just so he can see what we've been doing, because I've said before, on this one anyway, this customer can't be here all the time, or call in just for a quick, make sure, for updates and stuff like that, so I've been doing these videos for him. So last time, we didn't have any of the A-pillar done, I don't think. I think we had it in kind of where it was going to be, but that was about it. So we've done the sill, the A-pillar, the front end. We've fitted the back end to suit the door. We've just basically got wings to gap and mess around with. And then when that's done, we can start painting. But what we're probably going to do is, because it's not far for Christmas time now for us when I'm recording this. So what we're probably going to do is get it all bare metal that needed bare metal in, and we're going to get it coated into epoxy, and I'm probably going to paint the inside of the doors and the A-pillars, and then the inside of the wings as well, and then we can get them fitted up, and when they're fitted up they can stay on then, and I'll paint them on the car. I just like to get everything else done underneath and behind, and then it's tidier then. So I'll spin you around anyway, I'm waffling. So you'd have already seen the quarters anyway. We've had to put a new piece at the bottom here, mainly because it was cut out 3 times. So just had to tidy up a bit inside there as well. You've seen the sill, that's the new A-pillar in there. As you can see, we've re-door skinned these. The gap's nice now, all the way across and all the way around. So now what we need to do is make sure we can get that, carry that wing gap on as well, because we've done so much to it. We need to make sure obviously everything's perfect first, and because we've done the metal work on this one, we have to make sure it's that bit better. That's how cold it is. We have to make sure that bit's better. So you can see the A-pillar panel. This is new. This is the new one. We've just had to, I think we've already explained that, just put that piece back in. It was slightly different, so we've modified this one. Sills back on. You can see on the previous videos of the blue MG, I'm calling it, it's teal blue this one, and I've called the other one purple, but it's black tulip. There was a lot of making good here. There was a lot of what I called historic repairs. That's the polite word I tend to use. Weren't the best. So now all that's gone. It's all fresh metal, all as it should be. So these are in now. I can't for the life of me remember what they're called. We'll call it that bit for now. So that's done, that's all welded solid. The little repair on the inside is also done. That's the wing for it. I don't know if I've shown you or not, because we've had to move some stuff around, because that bench turned up. And it's a 5-foot bench as opposed to a 4-foot or a 3-foot bench. It's massive. So that'll teach me for ordering, saying I'll have something without seeing it. So basically this side is all done, bar little bit on the A-pillar, which I'll show you, but we need to get up, which you'll see in a minute. There's a staircase in the way. We need to get that out of the way, so we've got to finish that corner and then basically gap the wings, and once the wings are gapped we'll take them back off, paint all the insides. I've already said that, I think. Paint all the insides, all the A-pillar, door. I might do door shuts while it's in there, just so they're done. and then my spray boot's making really weird noises. It's not even running. It's probably cooling down actually. I've had it on this morning. So yeah, so this side's all done, all gapped, everything like that, bar the wing to the bonnet. So we've got to sort that out. And then it seems a bit daft maybe to some people, but basically we fit it all up, including the front valance, shut the bonnet, make sure everything's fine, then take it apart again, paint everything that we need to paint, engine bay, that type of thing. We are going to, I have probably just said it as well, I'm waffling, but we are going to epoxy the whole car before Christmas, just so the car's sealed in. We did do boot lid and bonnet when we had time, so I like to get all the inside of the wings all painted and coated. Although this black coating's supposed to be good, I always feel better having it painted, and longevity of that panel as well. If it's painted, it's got a coating on it, another coating, so I just prefer to do that. So they'll get epoxied first, and then a couple of coats of paint on there as well. So you'll notice the axle's going back in, cross member, that's going back in, so we'll get that sorted out. So yeah, once we've done that, it's epoxied and everything, we'll build it back up, seal all the edges that we need to seal, and we'll start the filler process. There's a little bit tidied up on this quarter. Again, historically it's already had bits of repair in it, so we've just got to tidy them up and make sure they're nice, and so we're happy with them. And then when we've done that, we can do a little bit of filler work. There's a couple of bits on the other side, a little bit across the scuttle there, if you like, the windscreen panel. Nothing major. I'm going to bold statement here, probably a couple of days, because we've had to change so much of it, and a lot of it's all brand new. I mean, that other side there, the driver's side, it's got 3 outer new panels. He's even got a new wheel arch, and a tub, the outer tub on that side's been changed as well, so sills are new, that type of thing. So excuse me. So there'll be a little bit of tidying up to do here and there, but nothing major, which is nice because we don't like slabbing stuff up anyway. It's disgusting and sinks, and it's not something we're into. So yeah, that's that. So hopefully next video will show some, well, next video on that anyway, and we'll show what I've just been waffling about. And yeah, that's it. So if I don't see you before, or if you don't see me, because I don't see you, if you don't see me before, have a good Christmas and a new year and all that wonderful stuff. And if you don't mind liking and sharing and subscribing, be much appreciated. And I'm going to go back in the booth. Got a Mitsubishi L300, older van. Just done some touch-ups on that. So now it's warmed through. I'm going to demask this, and then probably go home because it's freezing cold, and I've done for the day. So is this working? There we go. So yeah, like and subscribe if you don't mind, thumbs up and all that sort of wonderful stuff, and I'll see you again. Bye for now.